Every meeting has a goodbye. Every night has a morning sky. Every year has days that will be tough. But sometimes last call can't come quite quick enough. Fuck 2020. Fuck 2020. Fuck 2020. Fuck 2020. Group 1, last call.
All is calm, all is bright. Round young virgin, fun and child. Holy hymn, so tender and mild. Be in heaven. In heaven,
Silent, anxious night, falling calm, not quite right. Virtual pub sounded like a great idea at the time. Something to get my mind off Bali. Oh, Bali. Oh well, maybe someone will show up tomorrow. Oh, hi, welcome. I honestly wasn't expecting anybody. What can I get you?
Let's see. How about something to drown out the past year? You have something for that?
Well, okay, we're just jumping right in. All right.
If you ask me. Damn, what a year, not much to cheer. Forests ablaze, endless Zoom days. Working from home, not in the zone. All cops are bad, y'all can stay mad. Long live the king, let freedom ring. Can't see my friends, when will this end?
You were singing.
Yes. So, you got anything that'll black out this year?
Yeah, of course. But you were singing, right? Like, am I missing something here?
That's what we're gonna focus on? The singing bit? Wow, not quite bright, are we?
Hey, I'll have you know that I was studying to be a doctor. This bartending gig was just to help put me through school, right?
Yikes. Tough break. Sorry.
Yeah.
Howdy there. I thought I'd be the only one to stop by, but the more the merrier, as I always say. Nice to meet you. I'm Holly, as in Holly Jolly Christmas. My, what a silent night. You guys sure you're not on mute?
No, we hear you loud and clear. What I'm wondering is why you have so much pep in your step.
Well, I found, especially with this year, you really have to stay positive. You know, turn that frown upside down.
I guess, but this feels like you're doing too much.
Agreed. Dial it down a notch, or 6.
But you don't understand. This year has had its ups and its downs, but I really do feel like staying positive has gotten me through it. Let me explain.
Oh, great. Not you two.
Work from home means there's no divide, and there's nowhere left to hide. Locked inside for months on end. My cat is my only friend. smiling through all this heartache. Who knows how much more I can take? One thing seems to come to mind. What's past is past, it's left behind. Trying not to just give in. I'm hoping soon we all will win.
Look, I've been feeling the same way, to be honest. Been trying to figure out how to like keep it all together, you know? Like a drink here or there, some holiday music. It's the little things that keep me going. Well,
I'll have a bourbon. Hold the rocks.
Oh, you look like you're ready for anything.
After what I've seen, you gotta be. Never know what to suspect anymore. All ain't calm in the world. One minute you're planning a trip to Bali for a well-earned vacation. Next thing you know, you and the rest of the world are fighting an invisible agent.
hey, that's so weird, because I was also planning a trip to Bali.
A coincidence. If you ask me, we're all pretty much prepared for whatever comes next. Trust me.
No.
Hand sanitizer and face masks and a trusty half-filled flask. These are some of the things we have plenty. All try to combat 2020. We all know we'll miss 00. Let's not forget the goat mambo. We're all hanging on by just a string. Here's to seeing what next year will bring.
No. Okay, hold up. No more singing. What is going on? Is this some sort of trick? Like, you also planning a trip to Bali sounds a little sus to me. Not to mention Miss Jingle Bells over here, practically a walking ray of sunshine. You know, it's okay not to be okay right now. And you just had to give us the wiki version of 2020. We get it. This year's one for the books.
Many people like Bali. It's a popular place to visit.
I'm perfectly fine. I couldn't be better.
Okay, you need to breathe, yeah? Have a drink.
I just thought this would be fun. Give me some sense of normalcy. You asked if I could reverse this year. Well, guess what? I can't. It is what it is, and we are dealing however we can. You sounds like you're overcompensating, but it's okay. The world's not gonna stop if you stop smiling for a second. Yeah? And you're right. Bali's up in place to visit. I'm just a little sore because it was supposed to be my graduation gift to myself. But who knows? Maybe next year.
Nice advice. You should probably take it yourself.
I thought she'd never get it.
A little slow on the uptake, but it's the journey that counts.
Huh?
You had a few drinks before I popped in, right?
Yeah, and?
Well, mix that with this lonely time and a little bit of holiday music, and you get...
Us. You get us.
Surprise!
Well, that would explain things.
I'll propose a toast to the lessons from this year. I mean, look at it this way. What else can surprise you? Aliens?
To not always being okay. Remember to take a breath every once in a while.
To being in the moment. Take it easy, Clara. You're doing a lot better than you think.
Well, guys. Okay. That didn't just happen. Did it? I really need to get some sleep. I really need to get some sleep.